Ayo Animashaun, you wouldn't even know his age. Back then, I was like, I don't know if it's bros. Well, it was when I saw his younger brother. Now I started calling him bros because we were just you know, very good guy, very helpful guy. So the first Headies Award plaque came in and everybody was looking at it, and I held it, and then they took a picture of me with it, and I did exactly like it, and everybody felt like, oh, my Sound Sultan head. And that's how it all started. And since that day, like this, everybody's like, oh, I'm holding a Sound Sultan head and this and that. A big happy birthday to you, Ayo Animashaun. Big shout out. One love. Sound Sultan on behalf of the Nigerian Ninjas. Fire! See, keep living.